So anyway, condition record point has come. We have two pricing condition types, right? One is PB00, another one is PBXX.
Yes.
Okay. When you want to maintain a condition record, system will allow you to maintain for PB00, but
Yes.
it won't allow you for PBXX. What is the reason?
So we can say PB00 is predefined conditions. So if we want to manually input the price, then PBXS will come.
Yeah, but why? Why the system is when you go to MEK1 and give PBXX, system will throw error. But if you give PB00, system will give a pop-up of multiple combinations. Okay, but why it is happening? What is the reason for that?
No, Ganesh, I don't have any idea.
Okay, see any condition type, if you go and display the condition type configuration, even output condition type or pricing condition type, there is an access sequence is assigned.
Okay.
Okay, the condition types which have the access sequence that only are allowed to maintain a condition records.
Okay.
If you don't have access sequence, it's not eligible to maintain the condition record. System will throw error because if you have an access sequence, then only it is eligible. How the link is access sequence? If you go inside the access sequence configuration, you will see multiple condition tables.
Okay.
Okay, that multiple condition tables only will be visible when you go to MEK1 and
Okay.
give PB00 and click enter. You will see the pop-up. Okay, that pop-up all combinations are equal to the number of condition tables under access sequence. Okay, so for this question, the answer is PB00 is assigned to access sequence.
Okay.
0002 or something. Okay.
Okay.
PBXX, the access sequence, the field is blank. So system will not allow you to maintain the condition record.
But if we want, we can maintain rate for PBXX
You
instead
can
of
maintain,
blank.
but PBXX, yeah, PBXX and PB00, SAP has designed in a way.
Okay.
PBXX is a manual condition type used for this, and PB00 used for the automatic condition record,
Okay.
automatic condition fetching. Okay. Generally, we don't use directly PB00 and PBXX in the real time. What we
Okay.
do, we copy PB00 and create a custom one, maybe ZPB0 or ZPB1, whatever you can give it the name. Okay, we don't
Okay.
make changes to that existing one. We copy and create a customized condition type, and there you will make the respective changes.
Okay.
Okay.